Sutmo has been around for 66 years now, starting out in 1954 as a small enterprise, manufacturing stainless steel fittings for the dairy industry, which back in the day was a game changer. While other applications were incorporated into the product portfolio, serving the dairy industry with innovative and high-quality process valve technology, and thus setting the standard, has been our core business ever since. Times have changed over the last 6 decades, but our desire to be a true leader, listening to customers' challenges and finding the best solution is still what drives and motivates us. If it were not for travel bans and social distancing, we'd be touring the US and Canada by now with our refurbished Sutmo milk truck to take you back to the beginnings and to show you hands-on why we are still setting the standard in hygienic and aseptic valve technology. With its stricter regulations and requirements, the North American market has always been a very demanding one, challenging our product management not only to walk that extra mile, but to start thinking outside of the box. All of which shaped our personal approach towards the North American market tremendously. After all, we're talking late 50s, 60s, and 70s here, and in retrospect, we were true pioneers with a strong vision. But as we all know, 2020 unexpectedly took a quite different turn. So instead, we'd like to invite you to join our milk run digitally in the upcoming weeks and months, be it from your home office or the production facility or wherever. Just follow us and we'll give you more insights into how Sutmo has been serving the US market reliably and why choosing Sutmo components can make your life easier.